How to install a crystal curtain rod. We'll show you 10 easy steps so you can do it yourself. Stay to the end to see how it looks in this extreme girl's room makeover. We found this crystal curtain rod on Amazon. Once it arrived, we opened the box to make sure everything was inside. It's a good idea to lay everything out and look at the list of tools you'll need for this project. Step 1. Measure the total length of your window and divide it by 2 to find your middle starting point. For step 2, use your pencil and bracket to mark your center location, then drill into the header which is above the window. Step 3. Place your bracket over the hole and drill in your screw. You should have your level close to you because you'll be reaching high above your window. For step 4, you want to level the center bracket.
Is that straight right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
The center bracket should be level so that the rod will fit perfectly across the left and right end brackets. Step 5. You may want to use these 75-pound drywall anchors instead of the ones that were provided. They open at the bottom and lock inside of the drywall. You can now use your drill and screwdriver to tighten the bracket to the wall. Most brackets are installed 4 to 6 inches away from the window frame. Ours are 2 1/4 inches away because of the tall dresser. Step 6. We measured and installed the right bracket and repeated what we did on the left side. Step 7. Remember to loosen the bracket screws so the curtain rod will fit correctly once you place it in. Step 8. Use your screwdriver to loosen the crystal finials so it will fit over the rod, then tighten it so it will stay in place. Step 9. Place the drapery rod through the grommet holes in your nice soft curtain. Here's a tip. Slide the plastic insert over the rod, then tighten the finial. The end piece should now stay in place and not be wobbly. Now you can place the curtain rod on all 3 brackets and extend it to your desired length. Step 10. Manually tighten each of the bracket screws until the drapery rod no longer moves. Here's a tip. Remember to install the curtain so the edges are facing the window. We corrected their position so that we could truly experience how these blackout curtains keep out the sunlight. Before we started, the blinds were simple and plain, but the crystal curtain rod really transformed the look of this extreme girls' room makeover. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel for more DIY home updates, and we'll see you in the next video.